Guys, welcome back. We will be doing this vectors question today.
Solve all your doubts on A-Level Insight Plus.
A pendulum bob is held stationary. Remember this, it is held stationary by a horizontal force H. The three forces acting on the bob are shown in the diagram. Okay, the tension in the string is T, the weight of the pendulum bob is W, and the string is held at an angle 30 degree to vertical. Which statement is correct, right? Okay, for this, what we have to find is, as it is held stationary, right? This is the pendulum bob. It is held stationary. So that means horizontal or vertical net force is equal to 0. So if we make something like this, because we have to find the horizontal and vertical components of T, this is gonna be 90 degrees. So this here is gonna be 30, 90, it's gonna be 120, so that's gonna be 60 degrees here. Alright, so now what is horizontal forces? Here we have T cos 60, right, is equal to H. Well, because as they both cancel out and the resultant horizontal force is 0. For vertical, we have T sine 60 is equal to W. Got it? These two we obtain. Now we look at the options. H is equal to T cos 30. No, this is incorrect. T is equal to H sine 30. No, this is incorrect as well. W is equal to T sine 30. No, this is incorrect as well. So W is equal to T sine 60. So the correct option is D. W is equal to T cos 30. Because if we solve this further, we have T into sine 90 minus 30 is equal to W. So sine 90 minus theta is, we are not going to be cos theta. So it's T cos 30 is equal to W. It's going to be D. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems, you can ask in the comments.